So I can't wait to show you my Samsung package. So first off, we've got some Galaxy Buds Pro, which are meant to be incredible, which I can't wait to show you and use. Next up, we've got the Smart Tag, which can be attached to anything and then used on your phone to locate any items. Next up, I've got my silicone cover with S Pen to use as a protective cover for my phone. And then last but not least, is the S21 Ultra in 5G. Let's open it. So first thing you can see is the gorgeous cameras. And a gorgeous, gorgeous size phone. Beautiful. So I'm just going to take all the packaging off now. You can see the cameras there. Let's take this off as well. There we have it. Gorgeous matte finish Samsung S21 Ultra in 5G. So what I'm going to do is just put the cover on before I go any further. Cover now. Gorgeous cover. Put that straight on to give it the protection it needs. Wow, look at that. Stunning. And we've got a pen, which we're going to put in the cover. Slots in right here. Perfect. And now let's turn this on. Love this bit, it's the best bit about the phone. Just getting it all set up. So it's just saying hello in all different languages. Let's see if we can wait for English. Not that it matters. Press start. United Kingdom. What I might do actually is use my pen. To agree to all of them. Passwords, we're just going to connect. Let's just restart the phone. I'm going to set this up from new because I had an iPhone before, so we're going to make it a new Samsung. Skip that for now. Just going to turn these off. I always recommend to turn them off for now till you actually need them. Lower that. I'm just going to turn on one for now, which is just Google. Skip for now, but I'll add them later definitely. Skip again for now. And we're all set up, ready to go. Wow, I don't know if you can see even that quality, it's just incredible. So now what I'm going to do is just try out the camera for the first time. So I'm just going to put in some gorgeous fake roses that I've got. So bear with me. Put them in the background here. So I'm not sure if you can see. Move this out of the way. Got some flowers. So we'll put the camera on. And you can see straight away. You can see the camera. Take a picture. Now let's find the different modes. So that's zoomed out a little bit more if you can see in the camera. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit, if you can see that. Zoom in more. Even more. Wow. Let's go back. Even more. Don't know if you can see. It's literally zoomed in so much. And these are all the features that you've got. So now let's try outside. I think that would be better to get more of the zoomed pictures. So what we're going to do is the garden now. So as you can see, this is just a standard normal frame picture. I'm going to zoom in a bit more. You can see it's gone a bit closer. Even more. Even more. And then you can see it's actually going to the range droplets. 10 times. 30 times. And even more. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, 100 times zoom. Look at that. That, don't know if you can see, I'll come a bit closer. 100 times zoom onto my window. And that is how incredible the camera is. Amazing. And this was a normal. You can see, you can keep going. You can see the rain droplets here. 4 times, 10 times, 30, 100. Wow. Love to see that in the snow. So yeah, thought you'd like to see the setup and how the camera works in the new Samsung S21 Ultra 5G, and I hope you enjoyed.